Hey my beauties, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! Today I'm doing a New Year special makeup look. Get ready with me. Let's start the makeup tutorial. First thing, I'm going to prime my face with this blackout primer. For my foundation, I'm going to use this foundation from La Femme. Shade number is 1, natural shade. I'm going to apply my foundation with this beauty blender. Now I'm going to use this Golden Rose compact powder. For my blush, I'm going to use this blush from Outdoor Girl. Let's do this. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this Oatbo Baked Highlighter. Now I'm going to use this Oatbo Eyebrow Cream. Now I'm going to use this Huda Beauty palette. From this palette, I'm picking this Sandalwood shade. Would you busy? Wow. ব্যস্ত নাকি? হ্যাঁ। উল্টা করে বসলা কেন? বাটা নিয়ে। হ্যাঁ। I love you. I love you. হ্যাঁ। তুমি মিস করতেছিলে আমারে? কথা বোঝা যায়? হ্যাঁ। করে কি? কথা বোঝা যায়? হ্যাঁ, বোঝা যায় তো। Now I'm picking this white shade from my Morphe 35A palette. এত কাজ করছ? ও, তোমার তো জিদি রাখা দরকার আছে। কি করাম? না 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 না। কি হলো? Now I'm going to use this glitter liner from Kiss Beauty. Shade number 1. Now I'm going to use this Golden Rose mascara. Now I'm going to put some lashes and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to use the same highlighter for my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm going to put some glitter on my inner corner. For my lips, I'm going to use this lipstick, shade number 08, Romantic Bird Cosmetics. What's it like? Metallic shade. That's it. That's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also enable the notification bell because the notification bell is every time I upload. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one inshallah, which will be a 7 days 7 makeup challenge. I'm going to do a 7 days 7 makeup challenge videos from next week. I'll see you next week then. Till then, be happy, be confident. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year!